I have in my hand here the new style of remote control for the Triax SR110. The SR110 is a standard definition satellite which has been on the market since about 2007 and has proved very popular both in Ireland and the UK. Now the style of the remote control and the software on the boxes was changed. Probably any boxes bought since the start of 2012 will come with this new style of remote control. Now, a disadvantage of this remote control is, although it has all the functionality and works perfectly with the new style boxes, it will not work with the older boxes. So if you have, we'll say, an SR110, we'll say from 2008, the remote control breaks on it. And if you buy this remote control, it will not instantaneously work with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you what the old remote would have looked like. You can see it here. This is traditional remote. And the problem is that they don't manufacture this remote, and apparently Triax cannot get this remote manufactured anymore. And this remote was ideal because it would have worked with both the new and the old firmware. So what to do then if you need an old remote, or you need a remote to go with your old box, your remote is broken, whatever like that. We have a few options. You can simply change the box. It's an expensive option. You can come along and you can buy this remote, and by actually changing the software on your box, you can actually put new software on your old box, and then this remote will work perfectly with it. Now, what I have in here in front of me is I have a demonstration of two boxes here. We have one here that has the latest firmware software that we're currently using is 4.13, where we'll say an older box we have here for a few years. This will be a 4.08. So what you do is you would simply need to put the latest version of software onto this old box, and when you've done that, it'll actually allow the new remote control to work with this box. So in a later video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover the different options you have in terms of changing that software. So that's it, an overview of the new remote controller for the Triax SR110 satellite receiver.